better get the results like that.
All right. So, what you like to do in your free time, sir?
Three times,
Hmm.
three times.
Yeah.
So actually, I am much more interested to learn some English speaking, say fluency, say grammar, say whatever it may be. That can be helped. That can be help, and it will be more happy mood for me because when my grandsons used to speak call, all the while they use only English language. Grandson say, son say, daughter-in-law say, that family, because they won't speak any other language. But my son is used to speak only Marathi for me. Second thing problem is that, sir, actually at my village there is no platform to speak in English. There is no chance. So I am very excited when my grandsons used to speak in English, and I will be have the chance to speak. Uh, I have to chance to reply them with English only. So that is the thing, nothing else.
All right. And like you said that you come from village, but you maintain yourself a lot.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes,
Sir,
right.
what is the secret? You are quite young. I'm not making fun. Why? Because you are very energetic. You
Yes,
are
yes.
creative. You are innovative. You always think to learn something. Actually, our we all are like we should be lifelong learners. It's not false. It's a true statement. Those who keep learning, they achieve a lot of things. And in your life, you have achieved a lot of things, sir. You have achieved a lot of things.
Thank you, sir. A lot of thank yous because what you have told it's true. It is not any false story or anything. But thing is that, sir, in my when I was young, that time I was very busy because there were very this one number of doctors practicing were lack of that one doctors.
Mhm.
So I was very busy. I won't get the chance to uh,
Mhm.
speak, or I won't get the chance to celebrate with the guest and all these things because I was not getting time that time. Now it becomes reverse now because I have got the more times, no busy platform or any busy what you call the uh, idea.
Right. Sir, can you tell us, please, how did you become a doctor? What inspired you to become a doctor? And when
Yes.
you become a doctor, how was the journey? Did you enjoy your job or not? I hope all the students will be happy by hearing this from your mouth.
So actually, it was very difficult, very most many issues were problems were there because no, my father was thinking that I should not be a doctor. He should be have the floor mills. So he has instituting me all the while. What will be you are going to do? If suppose you will be go outside of our village, there will be our we were not having any support from you. So you stay at Mukhed only, my village only, and do the this one floor mill work. So I was thinking, and I was having very firm decision taken that I should be a doctor anyhow. So at my hometown at Nanded, there was a short medical course. just after matric. It was just a 4 years course. So I decided to join that course and get the some certificate doing the for the private practice like that. So after what happens after completing the education at Nanded, I was not that time happy because I won't get any clinical experience. For that purpose, gone. I have gone to the this one Bombay to get a job with the hospitals as a houseman or externally houseman. External houseman means what? They will not be pay the salary or something like that. Even though I was ready, and I did there that time. After completing my this housemanships at Bombay, I got somewhat confident that I can do something with the patients. What I got the knowledge with the different this one different like the medicines on the medicine unit, surgical units, gynec units. I did there all this housemanship job uh, uh, because it was my main thing was that I should learn, I should get some experience. Unless and until I will get the experience, how can I do handle the this one patients? How can I treat the patient? For that purpose, I spent there for 1 year with the 3 months every department and gynec surgery and medicines. After completing that, my father was very insisting that you come with our village and have start the practice. That time there was a actually I was the only doctor practicing in our sides. Except the hometown, there is no facilities or no service providing the medicals. So I determined that it's all right. It doesn't make any difference for me. I will open my clinic at my village. After opening the clinic, I don't expect from the uh, money from the patient. Just I want to serve the patient. That was my main this one interest. According to that, according to I did practice more than 50 years. Say afterwards, what happens? My family becomes uh, this one instead of nuclear family, it becomes the joint family. Say big family, say members. Like I have got no daughter, 5 sons. Among them, everyone is very super qualified doctors and engineer. They are doing very well. Some of my son, among them, 3 sons are abroad. They are engineer and doctors. So it is happy for me what I have did till now. But what happens actually after my retirement, when my son is looking my hospital at my village, the elder son was is looking hospital. So since that time, I am getting somewhat depression. What depression? Having the empty minded. That's all. So in Corona period, what happens? My missus has gone to the America and she has blocked there due to the Corona period. She didn't come for a 1 year. So my younger son has suggested that why you should be uh, uh, thinking like that. You just you are already interested and you join some English classes. So he has recommended the MCD class, and what I have now can speak, it is due to only MCD classes because there is no chance for the this one helping to improving or to remove the hesitations, confidence. All these things I learned from the MCD. It is not. No, I'm not telling lie. It's a true and it's a fact because no. My grandsons, all the while, they are telling that Dada, you have improved a lot of compared to previously. It's a proud for us. With this age, you are doing this like that. So they are promoting me like all the while they are giving the reply for me to promote my this one interest. This is the I actually the that time no the whole time when I was doing the practice. So it was very hopeless situation at Mukhed because they won't believe on the medicines, medical treatment. They believe on the extra blind thinkings. It is not related, disease is not related with the doctor. Why you are turning to the doctor and like that, and they are doing something jadoo tona, or so, something like that. They were to, if suppose we will go against them, it was not good one because that will be create a very struggle. So I used to keep the mum. Whatever you want to do, you can now, you can do. But I'm not interested that you should take the medical treatment like that. So it happens that they people are very ill-rated. Why no? They do not have any sense what the doctor is going to tell. They will not follow. They will not able to understand. So it was very difficult. Second thing is that there was no this one facilities, basic facilities, traveling. Say if patient is has to be shifted, then they cannot be having the facilities. So we have to many times instead of bicycle, even there were no roads, no. So the bicycle even was in good roads, so one cannot be ride the bicycle also. That was there. That time was like that only. So anyhow, what we have done, it's a with the grace of the God, blessing of the God, we are happy, sir, till now. So I want to be have my old age, senior old age should be have the peace of mind without any tension, and I should pass the time with the good points, things. So it is rather about me, sir.
Thank you,
It's
sir.
my
It's a lovely journey. The only question that I want to ask, the son who told you that you should join my career doctor, does he live in India or abroad, sir?
abroad, sir. Yes, my fifth son is there. Dubai at since last say 8 to 24 means since 16 years. My
And what
second
does
son is
he do, sir?
so he is this one engineer, software engineer, but he has left the job. He has got the company, own company at Dubai itself with the what you call the premises. He has purchased the some room, say office room, and he has got the staff more than 10 to 15 people, workers. And those all are the engineers only, sir. Second thing is that he has his office is at Bombay and Bangalore also, but Singapore also. But the leading office is Dubai and Mumbai, Bombay. So other offices are not progress that much. He becomes very this one, sir, by everything he is happy and with living luxury life. And what we have got the experience of what I have got the help from my son is like that Apple mobile, Apple laptop, the desktop is the bigger one, like facilities are available due to them only. So my all sons are very humble and polite and very this one, what you call the respective to the elders.
Please say my namaskar to your son. I mean all the sons, but especially who had suggested you to join my career, doctor. Please say
Acha, okay,
namaskar from my side
okay,
to him.
okay, sir, okay,
Right, sir.
okay, definitely, definitely, sir,
Thank you
definitely,
very
sir.
much, sir. Your journey is seriously great, and I appreciate from the core of my heart that you have done a great job. And right. You have done a great job because you survived. You live in a village, there you maintain yourself, you are very creative, you still learn things. I'm sure all the students, around 20 students are there, they must be getting inspiration while I'm talking to you. I'm sure they don't feel bored, they enjoy learning because they are learning the great lessons of life from your mouth.
Thank you, sir.
Right. And right. Thank you very much, sir. So I am gonna teach you now.